Did Vestis refuse to receive the certified letter that you sent? Or have they not claimed it from the Postal Service because they weren't there to sign for it? Well, this video is for you. So what I've been hearing recently is that a lot of the companies, Vestis is one of them, that they, in an attempt to stop all the customers that are trying to cancel, and there's a lot of them, they're just not receiving the the cancellation letters either, whether it's the cancellation of the automatic renewal or the cancellation for deficiencies or the breach of contract letter. Either one of those, they're not receiving it, and just to make it more difficult, but they're not operating in good faith when they do that, and they're making an argument. If you're persistent enough, you're making an argument that they weren't operating in good faith. But I guarantee you, you're going to want to make sure you try as much as possible, try to get that certified letter sent out to them and get them to accept it in a couple different ways. If they're not, after that, after getting it, maybe send it out again. If they still don't sign for it and you get it back again, send it out via email to some of the managers. Send it out to multiple managers. In addition to that, you can either go down to the local office and have them sign for it themselves and get them to put it in writing as well. Have the driver sign for it. Take a video of the driver signing for it, but you got to create some type of proof that you actually serve them, because 50% of the cases that I see in arbitration, people lose it simply because they did not send the letter of cancellation, because that's what the agreement says. There's some things in the video that you have to abide by. It says that this agreement cannot be modified or changed unless it's in writing. And if that contract says you got to send it by certified mail, then you must send it by certified mail. So anyways, it's huge, guys. Do not forget that. If you guys want help, go ahead and send me a copy of your contract, your invoice. I'll take a look at it. Your first phone call is always free. Like, share, subscribe, send this to your other business owners. That's who I help. Look at my other videos, and I'm sure you guys will love them, and they'll help you out as much as you can. Okay? Talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.